slowly closing. And
Yeah.
it was just like right out of a movie.
Too bad you didn't hear like.
It's like you were out of sight.
Too bad you didn't hear like a couple footsteps, but you couldn't tell from where. Look at Jealous Pie.
I thought you said that the disc was full for the regular pictures.
Probably is, but I'm just taking a regular movie of him. I'm taking close-up shots of his
That's
paws. I will want
He
close-up
looks
shots
like a
of his...
little stuffed animal, doesn't he? He's so soft. He's
Chase likes him.
so fresh and clean.
And watch the show and the level of detail that we are able to uncover, I think you may come to a conclusion. It's not my job to order the show 48 hours, and Hannah Storm is our correspondent, did a fantastic job. She was on loan from the early show. It's not our job.